Hey everybody, it's your old pal Billy Blue Gloves here, also known as Drawn to You and various other nicknames and aliases. And today we unleash upon you Givanium Citizens. Givanium citizens are the lifeless, devoid creations of the surgeon as a part of his constant persistence to improve his surgical skills. They are devoid of color due to the surgeon not having access to pigments and varying sources of genome donors because of the stretched resources of the surgeon. The citizens are made to be obedient to the surgeon and hate humans like him, while being prepared to die as a part of one of his operations. Yeah, and I'm using here the Pigma Micron number 8 that I love so much. And once we've got the pencils in the background there, it's just a lot of fun to go through. And, I'm just using this as a guideline. Wherever I see that I want to, make the line a little longer, a little shorter, a little wider, make it a little better. You have free reign to do that, but you have a guideline to work with. So that's the process. The blue Ticonderoga T420, go in with the regular number 2, and then you've got the Pigmas. Here we have the Sharpie filling in the border here, and the eyeballs. I bet I'm about to go in here and do the eyeballs. The cave background and the logo there, just a little something to make them pop out of the background. Let's fill in those eyeballs. There we go. Yeah. And just add a little pop to the corner there, a little sizzle. And this is going to bring us to just about the end of my part here. So yeah, here we go, the final part for the black and white. And so we're really happy that looks like Drawn to You 2 is taking over here. Okay, let's see what's going on here. Yeah, right off the bat, I love what he's doing here. I love this color. I'm glad we got that. Now this is again the set of markers called Azure markers, and that's by Royal and Langnickel. These are so great. They were donated to us, and we love these a lot. They're still going, and I love that color. This drawing, he's really taking his time and coloring inside the lines and being very conscientious of how this work gets done. I've noticed he's favoring the smaller tip more often these days. Sometimes you do that because the wide end starts to fade, and you have to if you want that color. And then there's that's a great shadow on that neck right there. I love that. I really like how the this color ends up looking a little translucent on this character, especially on the head of that middle one there. subscribe, and share. Like, 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 subscribe, and share. I like this one a lot. I like the kind of cave top there that he's doing with the gray and the Givanium Citizens kind of popping out of that background there. I like the contrast between the yellow and the green of the characters. I like how they're kind of translucent. Oh, look at this cat logo. I guess that's the new DTU logo. We got a mini Givanium. Oh, you know what? That's the music that tells me it's time to go. A meow to all. We're coming up on the final product here. There it is right there. We had a good time doing this one, Internet. Hope you did too. And until next time, I'm drawn to you.
Yeah.